Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have my glossy box, so let's get in here and see what I've got. So when we open it up, which I haven't done, I took it out of its big box that it comes in just to make this easier. But it's always wrapped, well, usually wrapped really nicely. I seem to have had a little bit of a tissue paper issue. And when we open it up, we have all of our goodies. They don't send us paperwork anymore. So let me take a minute and pull it up online so I can tell you a little bit about each of the products. Glossybox is $21 per month and it's a beauty subscription, and generally we get 5 products, sometimes full size, sometimes deluxe samples. And if you pay out longer, like 3 or 6 months, you can get it at a reduced price. But they don't send paperwork anymore, and the online, they send us an email that lets us go over and see a little bit of the information about the box, but it's still not real thorough information, so we will see what we can find. But reaching in first, I have a Tree Hut Sugar Lips. I would say this is going to be a exfoliator for our lips. Let's see what I can find out about it. I have found this exact product at Ulta for $5.99, and this is the full-sized product for $5.99. And it says, Tree Hut's Polishing and Hydrating Brown Sugar Lips Lip Scrub is a unique 2-in-1 formula that's simple but packs a punch. Specially formulated with real brown sugar that scrubs and exfoliates, plus a blend of shea butter with soothing vanilla extract to nourish and soothe dry lips. The best part is it's a leave-on formula. After scrubbing, lick off the brown sugar and enjoy petal soft lips. So basically, we have a lip scrub and a snack all in one. And if I were strong enough, we'd have this open by now. Oh my gosh, I had to use all my muscles. Whew. Okay, now I might have to take a break. So if I unseal it, oh, it smells good. It smells like sugar. Kind of like brown sugar, like a caramel. It smells good. So I'm going to take just a little out since this is the first thing I'm opening. I know my hands are fresh clean. And it's just, oh, it's kind of oily and it has some scrub in it. It does smell fantastic. Oh my goodness. That smells delicious. This is 9.8 grams or 0.34 ounces. Okay, reaching in next, I have an Emma Hardy Purifying Pink Clay Detox Mask. And that is what that looks like. And it's just half an ounce. And the reason I made that face is because when they sent me the email, I noticed that we are supposed to have a sleep repair renewal nourishing mask. And I have yet another mud detox mask. Let me look this up. Okay, I have found the information on this Emma Hardy mask, and it would be $55 full size, but that would be 1.7 ounces. And like I said, we have half an ounce. And I will do the math here so that we'll know what this is actually worth. Because like I said, this is a $21 box, and it's difficult not to make the comparisons to Boxycharm. It's just begging to be done. This purifying and detoxifying mask uses Australian pink clay to improve the skin's natural moisture levels while refining the skin. Botanicals work with defensive technology to improve redness and inflammation while evening the complexion. Moringa seed oil, a vitamin-rich ingredient, provides antioxidant protection with vitamin C and E. So it purifies and unclogs the pores and exfoliates the skin. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside without even opening it in case it's not sealed, because I won't use this because I really don't have pore or exfoliation issues, and this would be a great giveaway. Next, right on top, I have a black scrunchie. It is a velvet black scrunchie. It is from Pure Lay. Yeah, the end. That is who it is by. And I don't know if you tried using that Glossybox 30, if you could get 30% off your first order to these people, but feel free to try it. I will probably pass this along to one of my granddaughters. Next, I have Avant. We all know the pricing on the Avant can be crazy high in these subscription boxes. Avant Collagen Aloe Vera Hyaluronic Lavender Oil Glycerin Vitamin C Allantoin Hydro Bright Collagen Eye Restoring pads. And it's just that, a one-time use eye mask. Let's see what this says. This says that for 5 of them, it would be $72. So, Wake up to brighter eyes with this revolutionary eye set saturated with a complex of active ingredients to smooth, intensely hydrate, and minimize the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. Well, yeah, I will for sure give that a try because I could use all of those things. All right, next we have Strawberry Booster, 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil from ByBi, ByBi. That is what that looks like. And it is 100% natural, certified vegan. I was looking for a size for you guys. We'll get in there. It is strawberry seed oil, which probably means it won't smell like strawberries. Just saying. I love the smell. Oh, it's so pretty though. It's a pretty little dropper bottle that's in a bright pink. This is 15 mLs, which is half a fluid ounce. And it's just a nice, it's a light oil. It's not one of those real heavy ones. It smells like almost nothing. Let's put it on the back of my hand. We'll see how it absorbs, at least how it absorbs on a hand. It's very nice. We'll come back to that. Let's read about it. We'll come back to it in a second and see how it absorbed. This says 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil is designed to be used as part of your existing daytime routine. The Strawberry Booster is a great skin softener, improving moisture levels for complexions that are feeling a little dry, flaky, or sensitive. Interesting. Well, I will for sure give this a try. It tells me on here that it will be 15 pounds, but again, I will try and find something in the US that will tell me. It has absorbed. There is a little bit left, but I will tell you that my skin looks bright and feels soft and moisturized. I will absolutely be trying this. I have been so dry lately. That's fun. And last but not least, I have a Candy Cosmetics 120 ml Pre-Glow Up Mist. Get your skin ready to glow. And it's just a basic box. Oh, the box is sealed. Interesting. Have to get out the trusty knife to open a box. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, this is one of those pretty ones, like the Iconic. So pretty. Look at it swirly. Looks like a lava lamp. Is it? Couldn't you just? I could do some ASMR, and you could just watch that and be lulled to sleep. You're sleepy. This is, I would imagine, a full size because it is big. Directions: spray mist before or after makeup, or on its own for a refreshed and glowing look. This also says that it is 15 British pounds, so we will have to look up what $15 is in British pounds. Interesting here. The paperwork, there's no paperwork. My iPad says, give your dull winter skin the ultimate glow up with the Candy Cosmetics Pre-Glow Mist. Its hydrating properties moisturize the skin whilst giving it a long-term glow. It's like a Jane Austen novel. You may have seen us in the latest Glossybox. I did indeed. This says to spray the mist is a primer and setting spray all in one, and it is cruelty-free. So that is it for my Glossybox this month. Let's see what this looks like. Seems like what happened up here, there are a few heavy drops hitting down here, but what's happening here? Oh, it is moisturizing. Interesting. I have a couple more videos to make, so I'm not willing to risk my face with this, but it seems to be a pretty nice mist, so we will give that a try. Okay, so that is it for our January Glossybox, which, by the way, was late this month, but we got an email from them telling us it was going to be late, so I'm pretty much okay with that. So we got the Candy Cosmetics Pre-Glow Mist, the ByBi Strawberry Seed Oil, the Avant Eye Masks, the Emma Hardy Clay Mask, and this Tree Hut Lip Scrub, which smells, I'm going to smell it again. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. And this nice filler, black scrunchie. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon.